Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're firing up the grill. We're going to grill some chicken and some asparagus. But first we got to do a little prep work for the chicken and the asparagus. So let's get the grilling. Alright y'all, start out here. We're going to prep our asparagus and let's get everything lined up here. You want to cut a couple inches off the bottom. Uh, that end gets dried out, so just hack it off, throw it away. Or if you're going to be making vegetable soup, you can actually use this in vegetable soup, cut it up smaller pieces, and it'll come right back. But for what we're doing, we're going to just cut it like that. So get yourself like a 1 gallon bag. Get you some extra virgin olive oil, and just dump a little bit down in that bag. And I like just to use garlic powder on mine. I think it just gives it a really nice flavor. Get it down in there. My asparagus is a little bit long, but no big deal. It'll work. Seal up the bag and then give it a good tossing. Get that garlic powder all over them, and then let it sit for 20 minutes or half an hour, and we're good to go. So there's our asparagus is prepped. So let's get our chicken prepped. Alright y'all, we're going to do the boneless, skinless chicken thighs today. So get our package opened up here. And I'm just going to check them for bones, because sometimes there are little bone chips left in them. So, and we're doing cut side up. So to start, just like I said, just run your fingers over it so that check to see if there's any bones left in it. And we're not going to take any of that fat off there, because fat is flavor. So alright, so far so good. Alright, no bones so far. That's awesome. Get that little piece of thigh over there. Alright, nothing in that one. And get our last one out here. Alright, nothing in that. Okay, let me get my hands cleaned up and show you what we're going to use for seasoning on it. Alright y'all, what we're going to flavor this with today is I picked up some Great Value chicken grill seasoning. Never tried it before, but I'm always up to try something new. So we're just going to liberally season it on there, and we'll take it with us out to the grill. So when we flip them over, it'll be on there. So alright, looks pretty liberal to me. Alright, and let that sit for 20 minutes or so. Let the juices from the chicken kind of soak it in and take it in, and then we'll get out to the grill and get the grilling. Alright y'all, we got the grill all fired up here, so let's get this asparagus thrown on here. And I'm going to turn it with the tops facing away from the heat. That way, try to Try to keep it from getting burnt too bad, but I like mine that way, so that's how we're gonna roll with it. So last few pieces here. All right, now let's get the chicken thrown on here. Now, these are pretty decently thin pieces, so they shouldn't take a whole lot of time to cook, but look at that. Tuck one more over here on this side. So, all right, everything's on. Let's get the grilling. And I wanted to say too, this video is for Renegade Garage, John Clem, and Daryl from 2ATVs. You know, we're eating healthy, guys. Not a lot of carbs, so I don't want to hear that I'm ruining your diet or, you know, doing all that kind of stuff. So here's the good stuff. All right, y'all. It's been a few. Let's check our chicken. Oh, she's cooking them. They're cooking them nicely. I got this on a low heat, so nice and low and slow. Oh yeah, they're coming along real nicely. And that seasoning smells really, really good, y'all. I think I'm going to be happy with it. Oh, let's give our give that a little spin, a little flip around there. The ones that are on top, kind of on the bottom. Alright. Now, let's season up this other side here. Sorry about the camera work here. I'm freehanding it, so. Alright. Looks good. So, I'm going to close the lid and let them continue on cooking along. So. Alright, y'all. Time to give these another flip. Ooh, they're browning up nicely. Oh yeah. You gotta see that. That is goodness. They're smelling so good. So. Oh yeah. Let's flip this one here over. Oh yeah. We're going to move that one over in the front there. We're going to give our asparagus here a little flippy turn. That's definitely done. So we're going to move it over a little bit. Get it off that, close to that heat, but it'll still stay warm over there. So, alright. Alright, I'm going to let this other side cook just a little bit longer, and we're going to be ready to eat. So, next time we bring you back, we'll be doing our little taste test. Alright, y'all. Let's get one of these out here and we'll get her cut up for our taste test. So, I mean, thighs are so good and tender and moist. So, oh, I can smell that stuff. It smells, that seasoning, that smells so good. So, alright, that'll be good enough for our taste test. We'll grab a little bit of asparagus there too. So, alright, let's do the old taste test. Alright, y'all, let's do our taste test here. So, I'm gonna start out with the chicken. So, y'all, that's really good. It's got some heat to it. That's really good. So, we're gonna do asparagus too. Good as always. So, there you have it, y'all. New seasoning from Wal Mart for the grilled chicken. I really like it. Like I said, it's got a little bit of fire to her, but it's gonna be good. So appreciate y'all watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. It's 100% free, and you know, you'll get all the video notifications, all the videos that we put out here in the kitchen, at the in the shop, tractor pulls, wherever we happen to be. So appreciate y'all, love y'all, and as always, bear appetit. Now I'm gonna go eat. You all go to the store and pick up these ingredients for this